Can you tell me now what we're doing here?
Well, Gray, this is, I've been struggling. I can't even understand what it is that's been going on with me.
Arin, that's okay, but you don't always have to have everything figured out.
Well, it's not just right now, Gray. I've been feeling like this for months.
Months? I'm sorry, why didn't you tell me?
Gray, that's why we're here. I'm just trying to be better. My parents didn't raise me to talk about my feelings. I can't just do that. But I'm trying to learn that here, Gray.
And why is here where we needed to do that? You could have just came to me, Arin.
Gray, maybe you should just leave.
Why can't you just talk to me? Therapy is not...
Gray, I'm sorry. You gotta go. I really can't do this with you here.
I don't even see why we need to be here. What's going on? Why can't you just talk to me, your boyfriend?
Is leaving gonna be a problem, Gray?
Arin, I'm trying to understand.
Look, all I'm asking for is some privacy.
Talking with a therapist is not privacy.
Gray, would you just fucking leave?
Okay, fine. You want to do therapy? Let's do therapy, Arin. Yes, here we go. Arin Hyde? Or is it Hyde? Tell me, what's been troubling you lately, huh? Does this help? Can you finally talk to me now?
Gray, what is wrong with you? This shouldn't be a problem. I'm just asking for some privacy to figure out what's going on with me, okay?
Yeah, and why can't I just help you with this?
Well, you certainly haven't been any help so far.
When you're ready to get serious, Arin, just give me a call.